Replacing an exterior door is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. For Lafayette homeowners, proper preparation before installation day can make the entire process faster, safer, and far less stressful. With Lafayette's warm climate and occasional humidity, a smooth door installation also ensures your home stays protected and comfortable throughout the upgrade. Here's how you can prepare your home for a seamless door installation experience. Clear the entryway inside and out before installation day. Take time to clear the area around the door being replaced. Installers need space to remove the old door, bring in new materials, and work efficiently. Helpful steps include moving furniture, rugs, and decor away from the entry, removing wall hangings or mirrors near the door, clearing outdoor items like planters or doormats. A clear workspace helps prevent accidental damage and keeps the installation on schedule. Secure pets and plan for family safety. Door installation involves open entryways, tools, and frequent movement in and out of the home. For safety and efficiency, it's best to secure pets and prepare family members in advance. Consider keeping pets in a separate room or with a friend, letting children know which areas to avoid, planning quiet activities away from the work zone. This keeps everyone safe and allows installers to work without interruptions. Discuss door details ahead of time before installation day. Confirm important details with your installer. This avoids delays and ensures expectations are clear. Review door style and swing direction, hardware and lock placement, glass inserts or side lights. Clear communication helps ensure the finished door meets your needs and design preferences. Protect flooring and nearby surfaces. Although professionals take precautions, preparing your home adds an extra layer of protection, especially if your entryway has hardwood or tile flooring. Preparation tips include laying down drop cloths or cardboard, removing delicate decor near the entry, covering nearby furniture. This helps keep your home clean and damage-free during installation. Ensure easy access to the work area. Installers may need access to electrical outlets for tools and enough space to move large door units. To prepare, clear a path from the entry to the driveway, unlock gates or side entrances if needed, make outlets accessible. This helps the installation progress smoothly and efficiently. Prepare for temporary exposure to outdoor air during installation. The old door will be removed before the new one is installed. In Lafayette's warm climate, this usually isn't a major concern, but it's still good to plan ahead. Consider adjusting your thermostat, temporarily closing nearby interior doors, scheduling installation earlier in the day if possible. This minimizes discomfort while work is underway. Know what to expect during installation. Understanding the process helps reduce stress. A typical door installation includes removing the existing door and frame, inspecting and preparing the opening, installing the new door and frame, sealing, aligning, and testing the door. Most installations are completed in a single day. Ask questions and do a final walkthrough once installation is complete. Take a few minutes to review the finished work with your installer. Be sure to test the door's operation, check locks and hardware, ask about maintenance or care recommendations. This ensures everything is functioning properly and meets your expectations. Enjoy the benefits immediately after installation. Lafayette homeowners often notice immediate improvements. Better temperature control, reduced drafts and noise, enhanced curb appeal and security. A smooth installation sets the stage for long-term satisfaction. Preparation makes all the difference. Preparing your home for door installation helps ensure the process is efficient, safe, and stress-free. By clearing the workspace, communicating details, and planning ahead, Lafayette homeowners can enjoy a smooth installation experience and long-lasting results. With the right preparation and professional installation, your new door will enhance comfort, efficiency, and style for years to come, starting from day one.